The Savalya sisters. My name is Avantika Savalya, the scientist, and my little sister
Amara Savalya.
Today our project is the safety kit, mind model safety kit. There are four items in mind model safety kit. Number 1 is
This is the laser light.
we can use it when we are walking in dark. Number 2 is
This is the ray.
we can use it when we need help. Number 3 is superhero buddy van. We can write our mom's phone number. Number 4 is Chinese sticker. We can stick it on a t-shirt or on our backpack so we can find easily. We choose this because as I want to be a scientist and want to protect our mother earth from pollution, and my little sister wants to be IPS and protect everyone from bad people. The price of one kit is 400 rupees. But if you take 100 kits from us, we will charge you 200 rupees for each kit. Special offer. If you buy 10 kits from us right now, we will give you a special book called The Karate Mouse from Journey Stilton. Thank you.
Yes, Sharks, you can ask if you want to ask something to our kids.
So basically we have taken the box from the trash. It is a reusable item. The kids has taken their drawings to make it more innovative and attractive. These are the drawings the kids has used, and it was the old drawings, so they stick the drawings here. And we did the market analysis also. There are no such kits are available in the market. The only safety things are available are the GPS system, which is only compatible with the Apple Watch and the Apple devices. There is nothing available for Android phones, and that is very expensive also. So if we talk about the mass community, we require a kit which is very cheap, and anybody can use it when the kids are alone, the mothers are alone, and the kids are playing with their friends. Or maybe we have gone to a fair where there is too much crowd and the kids are alone. According to considering all these factors and the choice of my kids' future profession, because they have decided the future profession, she wants to become a scientist and she wants to become an IPS. So I had that idea that I should make something which is related to safety and all. So we collected these 4 things, make a box, decorated this box, and this is my kids' favorite book also, and which is also related to the safety of the kids, the Karate Mouse. This is how we created this box. And if I ask you the investments, so I will pitch for 20,000 rupees with 1.5%.
Hello. How you have fixed the price? How you have fixed the price? What is the cost of the box?
Yeah. So I will tell you. If I buy individual product, the only thing which is expensive is the laser light. This is 150 rupees. and other things are very cheap, 10 rupees each. So when I sell one product, it will cost me high because it's my time, energy, my kids' time, and the product everything will be of 200 rupees. And I will count 70 to 80 rupees for the labor work we have all done with the drawings and decoration and everything. Then 10 rupees for marketing, social media promotion. This is how we come up with the 400 rupees. But if we will buy it from a wholesale market, so my overall cost would be 100 rupees. So 100 rupees I can save, and with your investment I can use the money for marketing and everything, and 100 rupees for each kit I will save, and whatever the saving is there, so I can give you 1.5% in return.
Have you just started or it is going on?
Yes.
Have you
We have just started because madam has asked to you come up with some idea. We just started this product. If you give us the time, within 1 week we can give you 100 kits.
No, that's why I'm asking whether do you have any turnover last month, last year, something?
No, this is our first product.
Okay.
So after getting the money, we will make more.
Thank you.
Thank